Get ready to be gripped by fast Ford fever. As car lovers, we're always on the lookout for the latest and greatest innovations from this iconic brand. Ford has long been synonymous with the idea of developing fast cars, pushing the boundaries of performance and innovation on the road and the track. From the groundbreaking Model T to the adrenaline-pumping Mustang, Ford continues to lead the way in creating high-performance vehicles that inspire drivers around the world. Join us as we explore the fast and fascinating world of Ford's latest collection. Number 1. Ford Model T. This Ford model was a real game-changer back in the day. This car had a simple design, with a basic steering wheel, no fancy gadgets, and flat glass for the windshield. But what made it really special was its price. One of the coolest things about the Model T was its price. Back then, you could get one for around $850, which might not sound like much today, but back in the early 1900s, it was a real bargain. The Model T wasn't just a car, it was a symbol of progress and freedom for millions of people around the world. Number 2. Mk1 Lotus Cortina. The Mk1 Lotus Cortina is a classic car that holds a special place in automotive history. It was a collaboration between Ford and Lotus, blending Ford's practicality with Lotus's performance expertise. This car featured a tuned-up four-cylinder engine developed by Keith Duckworth of Cosworth fame, providing about 105 horsepower. Its lightweight construction and sport-tuned suspension made it agile and fun to drive. These features are enough to attract every fast Ford lover. Number 3. Ford Sierra RS Cosworth and Escort RS Cosworth. The Ford Sierra RS Cosworth and Escort RS Cosworth are legendary performance cars that left an indelible mark on automotive history. These models were born out of Ford's desire to dominate the world of rallying, and they did so with style and power. The Sierra RS Cosworth, with its iconic double-deck whale-tail spoiler and turbocharged 2.0-liter engine, was a force to be reckoned with on both the road and the rally stage. Similarly, the Escort RS Cosworth, known for its aggressive styling and potent performance, captured the hearts of driving enthusiasts around the world. These cars were not only fast but also highly capable, thanks to their advanced technology and engineering prowess. Today, they are cherished by collectors and remembered as icons of the golden era of rally racing. Number 4. 3 generations of Ford GT40. You know what makes the Ford GT40 a timeless icon? With its sleek design, powerful engines, and groundbreaking performance, each iteration of the GT40 has left an indelible mark on automotive history. From the classic lines of the original to the modern engineering marvels of its successors, the GT40 continues to captivate enthusiasts worldwide. It's not just a car, it's a symbol of racing excellence. While it comes with a hefty price tag, its quality and heritage make it a prized possession for car lovers. Number 5. Ford Transit. The Ford Transit is a versatile and reliable vehicle that has been a cornerstone of transportation for decades. With its spacious interior and sturdy build, it's ideal for transporting cargo or passengers. Whether used for commercial purposes or as a family vehicle, the Transit offers ample storage space and comfortable seating. Despite its practicality, it also comes with modern features and technology to enhance the driving experience. So, if you're in need of a dependable vehicle that can handle any task, the Ford Transit is the perfect choice for you. Number 6. RS-powered Ford Transit Connect Express. The RS-powered Ford Transit Connect Express is a unique and exciting vehicle that combines the practicality of a van with the performance of a sports car. With its powerful engine derived from the Ford Focus RS, it delivers impressive acceleration and handling, making it a thrilling ride for drivers. This vehicle offers the versatility of a traditional van while also providing an exhilarating driving experience. So, if you're looking for a van that can handle both work and play with style and performance, you should go for the RS-powered Ford Transit Connect Express. Number 7. Electric Ford Transit EcoStar. Do you think the electric Ford Transit EcoStar is a glimpse into the future of transportation? As an early example of electric vehicle technology, the EcoStar was designed to provide emission-free transportation for various applications, including police and postal services. Despite its limited range and early battery technology, the EcoStar showcased the potential of electric vehicles to revolutionize the automotive industry. With its silent operation and zero emissions, the EcoStar offered a glimpse into the future of transportation. So, if you're interested in eco-friendly vehicles that prioritize environmental responsibility, the electric Ford Transit EcoStar is worth considering. Number 8. Ford Focus RS and Fiesta. The Ford Focus RS and Fiesta are renowned for delivering thrilling driving experiences without breaking the bank. Packed with high-performance features like turbocharged engines and sport-tuned suspensions, these cars offer exhilarating rides for enthusiasts. Despite their impressive performance, they remain relatively affordable compared to other vehicles in their class. With their quality build and attention to detail, they promise reliability and excitement on every journey. But do these pocket rockets truly live up to the hype on the road? Absolutely. The Ford Focus RS and Fiesta deliver on their promise of thrilling performance and affordability, making them a top choice for driving experts everywhere. Number 9. Ford Mondeos. Are you seeking a reliable and versatile Ford model that offers great value for your money? Here it is. The Ford Mondeo series presents a compelling package of features, balancing affordability with quality and performance. With its spacious interior, comfortable ride, and advanced technology, the Mondeo offers a refined driving experience suitable for both daily commuting and long-distance travel. Despite its competitive pricing, the Mondeo doesn't compromise on quality, boasting reliable engines and solid build construction. Number 10. Ford Mustang and Capri. The Ford Mustang, an iconic American muscle car, epitomizes power, style, and performance. Available in various trim levels and engine options, the Mustang caters to a wide range of preferences, from the spirited EcoBoost model to the high-performance GT and Shelby variants. While it offers an affordable entry point into the world of performance cars, the Mustang doesn't compromise on quality, boasting impressive build materials and advanced technology features. So, are you ready to experience the thrill of the open road in a legendary Mustang? The Ford Capri, often referred to as the British Mustang, is a classic car that combines sporty styling with agile performance. With its distinctive long bonnet and tucked rear, the Capri exudes a timeless charm that continues to captivate enthusiasts today. Available with a range of engines, including the legendary 2.8-liter Cologne V6, the Capri offers spirited performance and a thrilling driving experience. While its interior may lack modern amenities, the Capri makes up for it with its raw driving appeal and nostalgic charm. Now you must be thinking that exploring the amazing Fast Ford collection is like taking a journey through time, where each car tells a unique story of speed, innovation, and passion. As we wrap up our journey through the exhilarating Fast Ford collection, we hope you've enjoyed the thrill of exploring these iconic vehicles as much as we have. From the classic charm of the Model T to the raw power of the Ford GT40, each car has its own story to tell. Don't forget to hit the like button if you've enjoyed the video, share it with your friends who love cars, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Stay tuned for the latest updates on all things automotive.